First time ni Corky naligo in his whole life.
Labs, bayad.
I'm buying coffee and small donuts.
French vanilla yan, ba?
Oo. French vanilla.
Ano lang?
Para lang. Right here. I'm waiting for the parade to pass by here in 7-Eleven. So I've been here for 30 minutes already. I'm hungry. So my coffee here is French vanilla. I'm not really a coffee person, but I need something hot, beverage. So yeah. I think I need to cross the street because if I'll capture the vlog from here. It's dark because I'm facing the sunrise, so I need to cross. And I think that the parade is coming now. So I'm gonna stay. Church that I use. So okay, I will wait here. It's too bad there's no seating area. So I guess I'll just have to stand here. Okay. I can wait here. So I expect the parade will go out there, coming here. So I hope I will not wait long. So the police car is already there, waiting. Sorry. I don't know how long I shall wait here. But there are already people. I don't know what are they. Some are policemen, and I think some are streets. I don't know how they called. But they're the people who will control the traffic here during the parade. So I guess they're coming. Parade is coming. I'm still waiting. Okay, they're coming. So first with the policeman, Mlang policeman. Oh no, there are. So one way lang isara no, diri gali sa open. So yeah. Oh no. Only one way is closed and it's open here. May mga buffer. Okay, these are Mlang policemen. I don't know. I should see my nephew here. I think he's not here. Ay, uy, samok. Uy, nagaana-ana. Oh. Fire station. Oh no. These are the local officials of Mlang. Oh, that's our mayor over there. And then the sangguniang panlalawigan. Oh, these are the barangay officials. Go! Go! Woo! Kaway, kaway! Kaway, kaway! This is ridiculous. So many buffer. So itong mga organization, Muslim, ayan, oh, Muslim Council of nakakatawa. Muslim Council of, what's that? I can't read. Barangay Bialong. Oh, there's our barangay. Yes, those are our officials there, over there. Lugot ano niyo. Ay, kaway, kaway. Ay, Kap. there, ang barangay. Pangit. It's dark now. It's cloudy. New Barbaza. Barangay Dungguan. Okay. So, Barangay Magalyan. So these are elementary schools. I know. All barangay officials pala. All barangay officials of Mlang. Here, a new Antique and Katipunan. They're over there. Barangay Lipaga. Okay, recap lang guys. Mlang has 37 barangays. So I don't think all 37 barangays are here. Maybe, maybe not. Look at the sky. It's so cloudy. She's so pretty. Pretty gay. Barangay Kalunasan. Barangay Kalunasan. Barangay New Esperanza. I remember the best parade is during our Kawayanan Festival or our Araw ng Mlang, like that. Happened every December. So this month it's a foundation of Mlang, foundation anniversary. So it's all about like this. There's no search for Mugtya ng Mlang. But it happens every December, you know, the search for Mutya ng Mlang. So, hindi talaga siya masyadong bongga yung parade during this festival. Ito lang, simple lang. So, ayan, tapos na yung mga barangay officials. Yun lang, parang I don't think all 37 barangays ay sumali. Hindi naman umabot yun ng 37. So, ayan, nasa schools na yata itong sumusunod. Mlang National High School. Mlang National High School, siguro Girl Scout and Boy Scouts. Yeah, Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts. Ano naman to? Medics. Mlang National High School. New Rizal. Oh. So this is New Rizal. Barangay New Rizal High School. So our barangay has a high school also. So siguro dito rin sila. Like that. Lipaga High School. Oh, okay. Now it's DepEd. Look at guys, oh, ang laki ng truck buffer. What is that? Notre Dame of Mlang. Okay, my alma mater, Notre Dame of Mlang. Hey! Bad trip talaga yung mga big trucks passing by. Mlang East District Hospital. Mlang East District Hospital's staff or whatever. Ay, dyan. Ito na guys, from Bialong Elementary School. Oh, si Sir. Si Sir. Welcome, Bialong Elementary School. This is from our barangay, Bialong Elementary. Ah! My friend. National, pilot. Mlang Pilot School, guys. And, okay. Nakain sila. Ito naman ay pilot school. Ang dami nila guys. Wow. Ay, ito na yung barangay Bialong. Wala akong friend dyan. Kinsa ni okay. I see ano, yeah, our neighbor in Bialong. That's Ma'am May. Mlang South District. Where is that? Mlang South District. Wala na. No more. Mag-jeep kayo. Ayan, wala na. That's the end of the parade. O, diba? Yun lang yung parade. Simple lang. Mga Blanc community people only. Ay, meron pa. Sabi ko, wala na. Meron pa gali, oh. Meron pa pala, yun, oh. They're coming. Ang layo nila. Naputol yun. Mlang North District. Okay. This is another part of Mlang DepEd. I guess, yeah. Mlang North District. This is DepEd. They're so blue. Look at guys, my buffer. So buffer. Meron pa talagang lake. Oh, Mlang Specialist Hospital stuff. CYK. Magsaysay Street Specialist. I still know specialist. Medical, ano naman to guys. I have an idea. I can stay in the middle, right? With the people. I'll do that. Yeah, ngayon ko lang naisip. So, I'm here. O, diba? Dapat ginawa ko pa ito kanina pa, guys. Hi! Hi! Ikaw! Dapat dirin ako kanina dito ko dagan kay sakyanan ng pangit. Oo, dapat kanina pagali ko diri. Oh my gosh. Oh, dito ko sa atbang. Dito mo damo sa lakyan. Sige na lang. Yeah, diri di ay mayo. Daghan pa ne.
Kamay na lang.
Kamay na lang. Kamaligsan ko. SBC. Bagong Sakay. Okay, Bagong Sakay. Mlang Vocational Technical. Hi! Slaughtering.
Ay, pagdala mo sa ibisibit. Benta sa pre-bag. Boss. Ayun ka kay Jimmy.
What, Jimmy? Ay, ang ganda. Darmo. Darmo. Ay, okay. Department of Agrarian Reform. This way. Ay, Cotelco. Our electric company. Okay. Development Bank. Last na? Last na? Putol-putol, no? Lagyo. Isa na. Ay, Santa Cat. Santa Cat Co-op. Layo ba? Putol, guys. Putol. So, Phosphor. Ang konti lang. Ay, King Co-op. King Co-op. Ula-ulay. Gamay-gamay lang sila.
Ay, naman ako, dalawang team eh. Dalang na din eh.
The King Co-op. Cooperative Bank. This is bank.
Ma'am, smile mo ma'am. Dalawang mo tayo. Suran ka mo. Kusay.
Shut up! Yeah! Bank. Co-op bank. Balis ko. National Irrigation. Okay, our irrigation.
Wala na ma'am.
Ay, ano siya?
May na last na mo. Harap pa.
Hi, Te!
Smile ka mo kayo. Dalawang team eh. Yung picture.
Hi!
Smile ka mo, smile.
Mga tagang-bialong.
Last.
Ay, Inas? Bialong na po.
Dalawang ibang tagol.
Ah,
Oh, may harap.
oh, may harap pagid. Lalayo ang agwat.
Uy, nauli ang kwan. Sal.
Ay, Estore. Nag-join sila. So, optical clinic. I like that clinic. So, Mlang Gardening Association. Hello? Baka may friend ako dyan. Mlang
Smile lang.
Gardening.
Kahit dalawang team eh. Yung picture. Isang kapoy. Smile ka.
Oh, bisan kapoy. Bongga. Oh, gardener. Mlang gardener. Yeah. Mlang gardener.
Kana mo na ba?
We love Mlang.
Oh!
Ano naman to? Mlang gardener. Mlang gardener. Oh, galing, no? Mlang daycare. Mga mom.
Smile ka mo ay kaya dalawang team yung picture. Smile. Last na siguro na eh.
Harap pagit. Ano na, bagsakan? Ay, may harap magali association ni. Peddlers. Bagsakan. Mga negosyante ni.
Smile ka mo kay dalawang team yung picture daw.
Mga negosyante.
Smile ka mo. Smile ka mo. Eh, ipadala mo si Jimmy. Kita ka mo nito.
Woohoo!
Ari, ano ni?
Federation of Health Workers! Barangay. Okay, may kababayan. Wow! Wow! Taga-Bialong! Shout out, Taga-Bialong! Woo! On yung tike! health workers. Yeah, like huh? Health. Oh, health workers. Barangay health workers.
SW.
Yeah. Hi. Shout out.
Last is nila.
Last na?
May harap pa dito, wala na. Last ka ba? May harap pa?
Uy, grabe. Meron pa daw, guys.
Nakamuhay kay picturean mo dalas kami.
Hi. Shout out man.
Kumadyag namin.
Oh, nagainit doon ba? Nagainit doon ba? Ano? Scholar. Yes, vlog. YouTube vlog.
Solo, kailan?
Lang solo parents. Wow. May harap pa talaga yung mga solo parents.
Ako, Jamie. Saka Jamie. Dalag mo dito. Kaya ko lang ito.
Modern. Wow, modern yun. What's this called? Okay, the end. Okay, guys, it's done. Tapos na. Ayan, oh, open na yung ano. That's the vlog. Bye. Bye, bye, Gaw. Ha? Wala na? Hindi, mauli na ako sa balay. Okay, that's the end.